Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about a coin that I saw listed in this big article about turning, five altcoins that you can buy. You turn 1,800 bucks or something to $1.8 million. And that piqued my interest because at this point we're almost at, towards the crux of this bull market, and we want to make sure we're investing and catching everything before it really goes crazy. So now is the time that I'm trying to find these smaller coins that I can 20x, 50x and really go crazy next year. So did I find one? I saw one listed that I never heard of before, so I took a quick peek just to see if it was worth an investment. I'm gonna walk you through my thinking here. I'll also attach the white paper link for this project at the bottom of the description of this video here, and I want you guys to take a look. We might have something here. So let's take a look and see what project that we are talking about and if it is worth an investment. Guys, if you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more of my content, please subscribe to the channel. The token is RXS. And this is an article I saw on Bitcoinist. And it says 5 altcoins to buy to turn 1,800 bucks into $1.8 million. That sounds lovely to me. And basically it's saying you need to buy this before the end of December. So RXS is called REX or Rexus Finance. The future of real world asset tokenization. So basically it's in the RWA space, the likes of Ondo. I talked about another one on Solana's ecosystem earlier this week. Pendle is another one. So RWA is taking off. We know BlackRock is into this space as well. So basically tokenizing real world assets such as jewelry, real estate, maybe cars. And basically this is what they're getting into. So what sets this one apart from others? That's what I'm trying to figure out. And according to this article, and the other ones that they list here are Bonk, the meme on Solana, which I like. Sui, I like that one as well. Mantra is a L2 on Ethereum, not the biggest fan of that one. And Hedera, we know that the CEO or founder of Hedera met with Trump earlier this week. And they're also involved in something as far as voter registration, voter ID system in the US. So Hedera has caught a lot of heat and is doing the right things right now, and the price reflected it. So Hedera is good too. So out of these, I like Hedera, I like Sui, I like Bonk, but let's dig into this one here, this Rexus Finance. So let's see what we got here. So according to this, it's starting to get some leeway here because it's listed, hasn't really been listed on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko yet as far as an official launch. But they do have a lot of pre-sales, and CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko is actually tracking this project. So it adds some validity to it. It says Rexus Finance is your gateway to the future of asset management. It empowers you to own or tokenize virtually any real world asset, from real estate and art to commodities and intellectual property on a global scale. With Rexus Finance, you gain access to a world where asset liquidity and investment opportunities are boundless. Embrace the power of blockchain technology to make investment more inclusive. Interesting. So this is an ERC20 token, so it's part of the Ethereum ecosystem. So with that, that's my first reservation. I'm not an ETH guy. I recognize ETH has traction right now, and it has a spot ETF and all of that. Problem with ETH is the fees. The gas fees are too much for me. It's too expensive, and I don't know if that's going to impact this at all, this project, when it finally launches on Ethereum. So let's take a look at social, the communities. So let me go here. This is X. X, according to X, for a project that hasn't even launched yet, really, it has 30,000 followers. So that means something. I was tracking to see who that I'm following as far as in the crypto space is actually following this project, and no one is following this project, which is another word of caution for me. It's like, all right, well, first we got it. It's on ETH, high gas fees. Number two, people that are respecting the space don't even know about this project or not following it because they don't think it's worth anything. That's something. That could be a reason why they're not following it. I'm not sure. But I would say 30,000 followers is impressive, right? For a project that hasn't really launched yet and no one really's heard of it before. Looking at Telegram, they have about 18,620 members, and currently only 406 members are online. So they do have some type of community. Going back to their website here, For a project that is, doing RWA and all of this website is easy to navigate, but it doesn't look like a professional website to me. I mean, I get it, but it doesn't look like one of a website that's kind of respected. It looks like any college grad can probably put this thing together, and that's the way it looks like to me. I could be wrong. Maybe this is what they're going for. This is the look that they're going for, but I'm not too impressed with what I see here. But nonetheless, they do have a white paper. They have a 1 million giveaway where you can win, or they pick 20 people to win about $50,000 in USDT. You can do that by completing tasks, within the ecosystem and by referring people to get on to the project as well. So that they have that happening. Tokenomics will go over that, and it's basically how to buy, and they're recommending on the website. If you want to get into this, basically it's pre-sale stage number 10. Connect your Trust Wallet or MetaMask, have some ETH in there, and you can transfer over the ETH to the RXX token, and that's used for RXX token is their native token for governance and to transact within the ecosystem. But that's how you get the RXX. Move your ETH, convert it into RXS, and that's how you get it. So that's it on this website here. It's saying that it's featured on Bitcoin.com, Analytics, Finbold, Crypto Daily, and all these other ones. And that is another situation that kind of gives me a reservation. They're paying a lot of money for advertising. If I type in RXX, you'll see all these articles saying how you could turn this into $1 million. You could turn this and win a lot of money, and not win a lot of money, invest this and get a lot of money in return. And that seems to be a big warning sign to me. They're not doing it organically. It looks like they're paying advertisers. And for reference, I'm not getting paid to do this. I'm too small of a channel to get sponsored or anything like that. So I have no connection to this project at all. But that's another thing you should look for when you're looking at new projects. Look to see if maybe they're paying people to broadcast stuff so that they get more traction and more people to buy their token. But here, they're talking about fractional ownership. So you can own a fraction of a painting, of real estate. And that's what RWA is trying to do anyway. So that's what they got there. Here is basically, it looks like Rexus Gen AI. So they're trying to get into the AI space as well. Talking about their Launchpad, DeFi, real estate treasury, and going down to the tokenomics, they have $1 billion in tokens. Total will be $1 billion ever. So none of that's been released yet. They break it down as 3% going to marketing, 42.5 in the pre-sale, and let's stop there. 42.5 going in the pre-sale. These guys are not backed by venture capitalists. They're doing a public sale, and that's how they're raising their money. So that's something that's positive. 15% liquidity, 10% treasury, 3% going to the team, 2% the giveaway, 2% to partners, and the remaining 22.5 to a staking pool. So they will allow staking as well. So here's a breakdown on their website as to how tokenomics and how the release will go. So not bad. So yeah. So when I said if you type in RXS token, you'll see what I'm talking about. RXS crypto. Look at this. Top stories. Buying this is like 15 cents is like buying Ethereum at blah, blah, blah. Rexus Finance crypto prediction. How high will it go? There's another one. Same thing. ET now. Rexus Finance crypto. 750 invested today. Will be how much in 2030? Then you have this other one here. Rexus Finance predicted to deliver bigger returns than Ripple. So all of that just screams stay away from this token. That's for me, at least. So this is what I was talking about, the pre-sale. They're saying that the pre-sale has attracted substantial interest, raising about 28 million so far. Stages 1 through 9 sold out swiftly, generating around 26 million and increasing the token price fivefold from its initial stage. Currently priced at 15 cents per token in stage 10, investors are drawn by the potential of significant returns. Those who purchased during stage 9 has already seen a 1.3x increase in their investment. So they decided to forego venture capitalist funding in favor of public pre-sale, and that's reflected in its dedication to include everybody, basically. So there you go. That's could this thing go high? Possibly. If we hit peak bull and all the altcoins start to run, RWA is going to be hot, and this is right in that space too. It's possible. And ETH probably is going to do well as well, and all those things can help. Now, here's my final issue as to why I don't like this token. I asked Google AI, who is the founder of RXS? They say there isn't much information about the founder, but here's some information about the company and its cryptocurrency. So no founder information listed. So the founders are unknown. And I don't like that. So if you go on their website, how can you contact the finance team? This is what you get. Remember I talked about how the website looks kind of bogus? This is who you send an email to, or by emailing us at support@rx.com. I don't like it. I don't like it. So that's it. That is my quick thing on RXS. I'll attach the white paper link in the description. Could this thing go up? For sure. It probably can, most likely. But when I see stuff like this, collecting your wallet and then asking for your credit card information for you to get more tokens, who's to say this thing can't rug? And we work hard for our money. Right now, everything's sky high. Inflation's killing everyone. I would hate to put $100, $200 in this thing and nothing ever happens. That's the thing that I'm trying to avoid. What I would recommend, and not financial advice, maybe the ones that have been around for a while that still have potential to give you major gains. Bonk is one that I like this. I like it. It's on the right ecosystem with Solana. It's taking a dip a little bit. It was rising with Pepe when we had the meme rush craze in March or so. I think Bonk will do well. Sui is another one. It's doing all the right things. Liquidity is going up. DeFi is up there as far as total value locked. Has good traction. Social media. Sui is a good one as well. And then Hedera, I already talked about the relationship it has with the new administration coming in to the US. Hedera, Ripple, and Cardano, those three will do big things if everything goes along the way it's supposed to with crypto regulation in the US. So I'd rather invest in those than this RXS that we see here. To me, it looks like somebody paid and probably got them to, say something positive about it and trying to get liquidity into this project. But hey, that's just my opinion. So guys, that's my video for today. This is what I'm going to continue to do. I'm going to try to find these little gems that have the potential to go real high. Unfortunately, in my opinion, this is not it. So guys, take care. I hope you liked the video, and until next time.